Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all an eggless sponge cake recipe. So if you would like to see how to make this delicious cake, keep watching. So guys, to make this sponge cake, you're going to use some unsalted softened butter or butter at room temperature. And to that, I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to beat this butter and sugar until it's light and creamy. Now goes in condensed milk. And I know I use sugar and I'm using condensed milk, but if you wanted to omit the sugar and only use condensed milk, you can. I'm just going to mix that in.
Mommy, what are you doing? Mix it. Mix it, please. Mix it.
To this mixture, I'm going to go in with my vanilla essence or mix essence, whatever you have on hand, just use that. And in goes some white distilled vinegar, and we're going to give this a mix. So guys, I'm gonna go in with half of my milk in here.
Milk, please.
And I'm gonna give that a mix.
Hey, hungry.
And I'm going to add in half of the dry flour mixture.
Hungry.
And we're gonna mix this until it starts to come together. And no, the baby's not hungry, he just wants to touch what I have. So once it starts to come together like this, go in with the rest of your milk and then add in the rest of the flour and mix that till it comes together.
We are already done.
Once your batter has been mixed in, pour it into your greased baking dish.
It's so cute, buddy. It's
Spread it out evenly.
Mommy, get some, please. Hi, there can be this.
Okay, once you've leveled off the top, this goes into your oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes. So guys, the cake just came out of the oven. You can see that it released from the sides of the pan. It does have a slight crack on the top, but that's okay because it's still going to be very delicious. So all I have to do is wait for this to cool down. Now cut into it so you guys can see how it looks on the inside. So now that the cake has cooled, let's go ahead and cut into the cake. Just gonna cut it into quarter. And ooh, look at that. Wow, look how spongy and how nice. Really, really nice. It smells so good. It smells really, really good. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know. You can even use this recipe to make a marble eggless sponge cake by portioning out small bits of the batter, mixing in your coloring, and then marbling it into the pan when you put the main amount of batter. So if you guys try this recipe, comment and let me know down below. You all see how spongy and how nice this is on the inside, and I can't wait for you all to try it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.